Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Alright guys, quick and easy video. I'm gonna make a protein smoothie with my Irish mash and my peanut butter. Quick and easy, and just one ripe banana and some almond milk. And this one is good for your immune system. Alright guys, gonna build you and clean you. Lots of antioxidants, lots of potassium, lots of protein, vitamins and all. Alright, so here we're gonna add one ripe banana. I'm gonna put 2 spoons of my Irish mash. I will leave the link of how I make it in the description box. And now I'm gonna put 1 spoon of peanut butter. I'm gonna add about 1 cup of almond milk. And the final thing, I'm just gonna add a little bit of nutmeg. This is optional, alright? But I'm just gonna add a little bit. Just a smidge. And now I'm just gonna add some ice. And we're just gonna blend. There you have it. Alright guys, I have my jar here, my mason jar. You can use any container of your choice, and I just put it in the freezer for a few minutes. Put a straw. And my peeps, this is it, a complete meal all by itself, packed with lots of vitamins, protein, control diabetes, lower blood pressure, fight cancer cells, rid your body of all mucus and phlegm. Oh, and what about the man them? Yes, this is good for the man them, to give them a strong back. Yeah, protein shake for the man and woman them. Lots of energy. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. There you have it, my Irish mash peanut butter protein smoothie. There you have it guys. Remember, pray a lot, stay together, love upon each other, put God first. God is good. Bye guys.